everyone. Today I want to show you how to create a rock, paper, scissors game in Python. So let's get started. First, what you want to do is create a new file, call it whatever you want. I just named it rock, paper, scissors. So first, what you want to do is you want to create this import statement. So you just type in import and you want to type in random. Now you want to create a new list called options. Set it equal to square brackets. Let's do rock, paper, scissors. So that's the first little bit. The next bit will be player score equals 0, while true if not yet. Player choice equals input of please enter rock, paper, or scissors. Rock or paper or scissors. You can add colon space if player choice is Q. Also, or Q to quit. If player choice equals Q, I would print bye-bye. Quitter. And then break. If the player choice not in options, then the player then we can continue and now we can do that. AI choice equals, it'll be an random dot choice of options. And then, if player choice is equal to rock, if AI choice is equal to scissors, then we can print no, not print, sorry. Player choice, player scores plus equals 1. Print. We can actually just create two variables called y1 equals u1, because we will be typing u1 a lot of times. So u1, and we'll be doing the same with computer one. C1 equals the computer one. So print y1 else print C1 player. We can actually copy these lines of code and paste it there. So if the player choice is paper and the AI choice is rock, and then we can paste that thing and copy it again. Scissors. And if the AI choice is equal to paper, and so now we can print your score was and then we can do player score. And also, one thing I forgot is to print the computer shows and then we can do AI choice. And so now let's see this in action. Q to quit, that'll work. Rock. The computer chose scissors, I won. Let's see, paper. The computer chose scissors, the computer won. Let's see, scissors. The computer chose scissors, the computer won. So that there is a bug. We need to consider the tie. So to do this, in here, before all of these checks, if player choice equals AI choice, first of all, you want to create a tie variable. You can actually print tie, then continue. No, not C1, sorry. Continue. You can copy these lines of code. You can put them here. Put them here. Now now, if you run this thing, let's see if we ever get a tie. Okay, so we aren't getting a tie, but if you do get a tie, this should work.